This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Carswell. Beautiful, well-maintained 3-bedroom 2.5 bath condo with an open floor plan. Features include dining area, granite counters, great room with vaulted ceiling and electric fireplace, loft, first floor master bedroom and bath, walk-in closet, attached garage and long driveway. All stainless steel appliances, along with new washer and dryer convey. Back deck does not face other units. Condo fee includes coverage for everything from the studs, roof, exterior and everything outside, including deck maintenance, along with sanitation and trash pickup. Located in a very quiet community, near shopping, interstates, restaurants and medical facilities. Move